Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install and use Grammarly in Outlook. This is an incredibly useful tool that helps you catch grammar mistakes, improve your writing tone, and ensure your emails are polished and professional before you hit send. Let's walk through the setup process together. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure everything is fully loaded before moving on to the next steps. This ensures that once we install Grammarly, it will integrate properly with your existing Outlook setup. Once your email has loaded, it's time to get Grammarly installed. Open a new browser tab and type in grammarly.com. From Grammarly's website dashboard, head to the top right part of your screen and click on Sign In. Grammarly is totally free to use, and if you don't have an account yet, you can set one up easily in just a few moments. But assuming you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. After signing in, you'll be directed to Grammarly's main dashboard where you can access all of its features and settings. From here, look at the left side menu and click on Apps. This section contains all the different versions and integrations Grammarly offers for various platforms. Look for the option that says Grammarly for Windows and click on Install. This will start downloading an installer file through your browser. Once the download completes, simply run the installer and follow the setup wizard. The installation process is straightforward and should only take a minute or two. Make sure to keep Outlook open during this time, as the installer will automatically detect it and configure the integration. Once the installation has finished, head back to your Microsoft Outlook window. Click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This opens your email composition window where you normally draft your messages. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll see the Grammarly Assistant readily available for you to use. It typically appears as a small icon or button within the composition window, and as you type, Grammarly will automatically underline any spelling or grammar errors it detects. You can click on these suggestions to review and apply corrections instantly, making your emails clearer and more professional. And that's it. You've successfully installed and set up Grammarly in Outlook, and now you can write error-free emails with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.